I'm doing a general cleaning in the house right now. It's been months, I guess, that it's never been vacuumed generally. So dust is unbearable. Look. So many dust and cobwebs, stuff like this. And also the poop of lizards here. If you didn't know, there's a lot of house lizards here. So it's disgusting. Look at that. Dust mites. It's difficult to clean the old house, Cobwebs. Yeah. Cobwebs there. And here. It's been months that I haven't cleaned the house. I'm wondering what time I'm gonna finish here. Usually it takes hours. 2 to 3 hours. So I'm done cleaning here at the top, the second floor. Oh my god. So guys, I want to share with you, this is the poop of bats. There's a lot of bats staying here during the night. They're at the ceiling outside, and these are their poops. So disgusting. Look at that. Yeah. So they're up there sleeping right now. I don't know. Okay, so I'm done here at the upper part. It's time to go downstairs. I'm sorry. Go down. Alright. So I'm just so thankful that I got this vacuum cleaner. It's really a big help for me to clean the house. So I will transfer here. to maintain this big, it's kind of big property here. It's not easy for me. So I get crazy every time I will do the cleanup from here, from outside here to inside here, and upstairs up to here, upstairs. So I didn't know how did I get this, but as long as I can, I'll just clean what I needed to clean, you know, and leave the rest. So I'm not done yet here. Next is inside the bathroom. So it's time for my cleaning body to rest now. It's getting hot, feeling hot. And after this, I still have to throw the trash inside of here. Oh, and it's so dusty. I hate dust. And so I can also rest now. Yeah. Though I'm not really feeling well yet. I've been to a fever and flu this past few days, but I'm getting better now. So that's why I do the cleanup right away, because the house can't wait for me to clean this up. So that's it. So okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and please say your comments if you have anything to say. So bye, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.